Assalamualaikum. Today I wear my culture uniform, that dress, sorry. That's why we are not wearing alpaca. This is our dress with sandal. Usually, not only for married women using like that. This is our dress, national dress. We are not wearing ribaya. It's different from country to country. That's why I wear that special today for you to see our dress, national dress. Dear ladies and gentlemen, member of Council, administration and faculty, a pleasant day to all. It is a great pleasure for me as your guest speaker today. Another year has come to an end to be recognized as a Council graduates. Graduation doesn't mark the end of goals and challenges. This is a beginning of another chapter in your life. Life is wonderful journey. A course that you set and determined by the choices you make each day. Eleanor Roosevelt said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dream." It is very common to tell graduates, dream and dream big. I say, do more than that. When you dream, you are in unconscious state. It ends. You wake up. It is not real. You need to create a vision. This takes determination and a plan that takes your dream to a destination. So, as you set up to meet the world with your mind prepared and your skills too, I urge you to set your direction with a positive attitude and a strong spirit. Learning belongs to those who take it. Learning starts with you. Learning how to think really means learning how to exercise some control over how and what you think. It means being conscious and aware enough to choose what you pay attention to and to choose how to construct meaning from experience. Because if you cannot exercise this kind of choice in adult life, you will be totally lost. Today, you know the feeling of self-accomplishment. Tomorrow, you will begin the hard work of success. Do not ever give up. Do not ever give up. Do not dwell long on the failures. If you aim for success, you are sure to find it. As you navigate through the rest of your life, be open to collaboration. Other people and other people's ideas are often better than your own. Find a group of people who challenge and inspire you. Spend a lot of time with them, and it will change your life. Be open and responsive. Remember that you should participate in the life of other people, because your help may become crucial for the success of another person. This is like relay race. You should pass the baton, and then your dream will win. Otherwise, you will be standing alone in the center of the playing field with that baton. Will it be beneficial for you? Will you feel yourself a winner? I really doubt. So, pass the baton after your graduation. That is, let others feel the excitement like you do now. We all live in the world where all resources go around. You cannot just accumulate them for yourself. you should share them with others. The more you give, the more you receive. I want to assure you that this proverb is completely true, in line with the mission of COMSEPHIL. Fortunately, you were blessed with many inspiring instructors or teachers who guided you along your journey. They really have a patience, love, dedication, and great concern to you as their kababayan. They have a genuine and burning desire to give their best on you. I know that COMSEPHIL armed you with much knowledge and skills to be a competitive individual in the modern age of computer. And I am very confident to say that 100% COMSEPHIL made a big difference in changing your life and even touching your bright future. Lastly, Walt Disney once said, around here, however, we don't look backwards for very long. We keep moving forward, opening up new doors and doing new things because we are curious. And curiosity keeps leading up down new paths. Good luck, graduates of 2014. Remember to always keep your dream alive and keep